Hey, hi everybody. Glad to be back on the air with you. I'm just leaving East Mesa RV Specialists, where I took my Beacon in to have some warranty work done. We had some issues that had to be taken care of before we hit the road. Meet up with Kevin and Lareka over in Escondido. I can't tell you enough what a great experience it was here at East Valley RV Specialists. They had the rig. They were ready to take it when I was told to bring it in. They called me right away when it was done. Did the guide in to help me hook it up. Double checked everything. Have some parts on order that they'll replace when we get back here around December. One thing I had done, which I think is really cool because I didn't know, my receiver hitch was a little too low. Right here, the receiver was a little too low. It was actually all the way down into the metal frame, and that only gave me about that much clearance, just barely 4 inches. And Bill came out, and one of the first things he said was, yeah, it looks like it's riding low. So what we did is, while I was here, they went ahead and lifted it for me. It had the bolts and the adjusters, and they had all the tools. Just didn't charge me anything for it because it took them a few minutes, but it gave me that extra lift. So before, I only used to have this much space. Now I have that much space, which is going to give me a much safer ride if I have to hit dips or bends in the road. So I can't tell you enough about this place. And if you are in Arizona and you need work done on the RV, I'm going to recommend this place full-heartedly. I have a Vanleigh Beacon, which is a Tiffin product. They are a certified repair station for Vanleigh and for Tiffin. They take the warranty work and everything. So I got all this stuff done. I had a wall that was rattling, a little ceiling frame that was coming down. They fixed all of that so I could hit the road and not have to worry about that stuff falling off while I'm driving. So yeah, East Valley RV Specialists, I'm here. It's 2 days before we go meet up with Kevin and Lareka and start our full-time journey. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed already. Enjoy our videos because I really can't wait to get out there on the road, and I know my wife's excited too. It's a little scary to start the journey, but this journey is going to be fantastic. We're going to see things and go places that we've never done before, and we're going to be with good people. So what more can you ask for?
So it's literally 115 today? 115 today, and we're loading up to get ready to meet Kevin and Lareka in San Diego. So here we go. Got the generator running and air. It's been running for probably about a good hour, and it's still 105 in here. So trying to load it and take some breaks as we go. So when we started this, the rig was at 123. Miserable. It's a dry heat though, don't forget.
We have just left our house in Arizona to start the full-time journey of RV life living. We're on our way down to meet the Quins in Escondido to start our journey. It's kind of a bittersweet morning because we do live with my daughter and son-in-law and our 2 granddaughters, even though we're going to see them in a week because they're going to come down to visit us. It's still bittersweet that we're going to be gone for a few months, and we become pretty tight and pretty close with our granddaughters. So it's going to be a good change for us and them, I think, to get a little bit of space, but it didn't make it any easier to leave. Hence the sunglasses. But yeah, this journey is going to be great, and I'm looking forward to it. All right, we'll look forward to bringing you more stuff on our journey.
Hi guys, so I kind of made a boo-boo. We were loading our rig in Arizona, and we were leaving Sunday morning, and when I went, we put all our stuff in on Friday, and when I went in there, I had exploded soda everywhere. So it was 123 in here. So learning lesson, do not put soda in your rig when it's extremely hot. It was literally on the ceiling in the cabinet. I didn't videotape it because it was 120 degrees in the RV at the time. So I just basically threw it all in the sink to show you. These are the ones that didn't explode, but you can see like we were touching them and they were so hot that they exploded. So you can see how they're already up like that. So I guess I learn, right?
Do your leveling system legs look like this? Do you want them to look like this? And we are an RV SnapPad affiliate, so use our discount code down below for 10% off your order.